Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add effects on TikTok video. First of all, open TikTok app and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now open it up, sign into your account, and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, you just need to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen and your TikTok camera will be launched. Inside it, you can either shoot a video or photo in real time or just upload one from your local storage. So tap on the upload icon and select your preferred media. After selecting the target video, you will be able to see a bunch of features at the right side of your screen. Inside it, tap on the effects icon, and now you just need to choose the appropriate effect and tap and hold onto it. After that, apply other effects if you want, and when you are done, tap on the Save Embed at top right hand corner. Once you do it, a preview will be displayed. Simply tap on the next button and the posting window will open up. Simply select your preferred settings and tap on the post button. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.